October 28, 1943, Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. A destroyer escort called the USS Eldridge supposedly vanished. Not sunk, not hidden, gone. The story goes like this. The Navy was experimenting with invisibility, unified field theory. Einstein supposedly consulted. The goal was to make ships invisible to radar and magnetic mines. Generators were turned on. A greenish fog surrounded the Eldridge. Then, the ship disappeared from Philadelphia. Witnesses saw nothing, just water. Minutes later, the Eldridge appeared in Norfolk, Virginia, 200 miles away. Sailors on a nearby ship saw it materialize out of thin air. Then it disappeared again, returned to Philadelphia. The crew was never the same. Some were embedded in a metal hull, hands fused to bulkheads, skin merged with steel. Others suffered mental breakdowns. Some vanished completely. A sailor named Al Bielek claimed he was on board. He said the ship traveled through time, to 1983, to Mars. His story kept changing. Decades later, he admitted it was a hoax. The Navy denies everything. Logs show the Eldridge was never in Philadelphia during the experiment. It was docked elsewhere. The so-called witness, Carlos Allende, was later found to be a merchant marine with a history of mental illness. But believers point to inconsistencies, redacted documents, missing sailors, Einstein's name attached, and the question remains, why would the Navy lie? The Philadelphia experiment is one of the most famous conspiracy theories of the 20th century. Likely a hoax. Maybe a misunderstanding of declassification tests. But the story refuses to die. Because the idea of disappearing, teleporting, and returning broken is too compelling. And somewhere in a declassified file, someone knows the truth.